With that, I would like to welcome Todd Sylvester, Vice President of Product Management at Teradata, and he will show us a little bit what we can do with these capabilities. Hi, Todd.
Okay, thanks, Oliver. As data warehousing becomes more and more mission critical and diverse, companies need the flexibility and choice to add systems as needed, whether it's active-active workloads or spinning up test and dev environments. And they need to do this in a self-service manner. And at the risk of using an overused term, apparently, they need to be used while being agile for the business, right? But agile is not the Wild West, and we need to deliver agility without data anarchy. As Oliver mentioned, with Borderless analytics and Teradata everywhere, we are able to meet these needs by providing multiple deployment options. Companies now have the choice of running Teradata on-prem with our next generation IntelliFX platform, within the public cloud domain, your own private clouds, as well as Teradata Managed Cloud. And that is the foundation of Teradata's vision of hybrid cloud. What I'm going to walk you through today is two scenarios of the hybrid cloud. One around shifting or bursting a workload to the cloud, and the second one is empowering users to create a data lab within the cloud arena. Here you see a dashboard that we're going to be using our system monitor to manage and monitor our analytic ecosystem. And this is a custom dashboard built on our Covalent UI platform that we just recently open sourced. Like many companies, we have multiple systems environment. One's on-prem and one's in the Teradata Managed Cloud. And we have a division of workload on both systems. What we want to do is take advantage of the available cycles that's available in the Managed Cloud, and we're going to drag and drop the finance application from the on-prem to the Managed Cloud environment. And what this is going to do, it's going to trigger an ecosystem manager workflow behind the scenes. And this will be rerouting the rules for the applications to move from the finance, the users, to the Managed Cloud. The key here is that this is transparent to the users and the application. Queries running that are in flight will complete on the on-prem system, and new queries and new workload we move to the environment. Now you're looking at a Unity dashboard that's actually rerouting the users behind the scenes. So you'll notice that the active sessions on the IntelliFlex will drop, and the active user sessions will increase around on the Managed Cloud environment. This is all about minimizing the IT efforts to manage a multi-system environment while delivering the SLAs for the business. So now as back to our system dashboard, you'll see that these systems are both in balanced state, and we've just dynamically moved a workload from one system to another. The key here is that all the capabilities I'm describing today are available with the products that we have in our portfolio currently. The second scenario that I want to walk you through is around empowering users to explore their data, dig in for insights without the IT assistance. Right? This is creating cloud data labs within this environment. So you notice from this environment where we have an on-prem system, we have Managed Cloud, and by clicking the add sign in the bottom right-hand side, we have a choice now of creating a data labs environment in 3 different scenarios. What we're going to do now is actually create a new Teradata instance in the Amazon Web Services and pre-populate that with our data labs environment, with the necessary query grid connectors and the access privileges for the data lab. So again, this kicks off an ecosystem manager workflow, and where we're going to, once the AWS instance is created, we're going to add it to our Unity cluster, we configure the query grid connectors, we move the reference data over to the data lab, we check the access privileges on a data lab, and automatically we notify the user that the data lab environment is open. This is automating a once very manual process. And then finally, as we move back to our dashboard, you'll see 3 active Teradata systems running in the environment, and now we have 3 active user sessions on our Teradata instance in the Amazon Web Services cloud. This is agility without data anarchy. A hybrid cloud environment leveraging Teradata everywhere to deliver a borderless analytic ecosystem. And with that, I'd like to invite you to the hybrid cloud booth on our expo floor to get a behind-the-scenes look by the development team that put this demo together. Thank you.
Todd, Thank you very much. Great presentation.